In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a comment from a workspace in Smartsheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly remove any comment that you no longer want to keep in your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main interface. At the left side of the screen, look for the navigation area where you'll see options like Home, Browse, and possibly Recents or Workspaces. Go ahead and click on Browse. This is where Smartsheet lists all of your workspaces and items in a structured way, so it's the best place to start when you want to manage anything at the workspace level. Once you're on the Browse page, you'll see a list of your available workspaces. Take a moment to find the specific workspace that contains the comment you want to delete. When you've located it, click on that workspace to open it. This will display all the sheets, reports, or dashboards inside that workspace, along with any associated details, including comments. Now, within the workspace view, look to the right side of the screen for the comment icon. This usually looks like a small speech bubble or chat symbol. Clicking this icon will open the comments panel. This panel shows you the conversation history, including comments that may be attached to items within the workspace. Give it a second to load if you have a lot of activity there. Next, locate the specific comment you want to delete. When you hover over that comment, you should see a small arrow or More Options icon appear near it, often on the right side. Click on this small arrow. This opens a drop-down menu of actions you can take on that individual comment. This menu is where you'll find the control you need to remove the comment. From the drop-down options, click on Delete Comment. Smartsheet does this step to make sure you don't accidentally remove something important, so treat this as your first confirmation that you really want the comment gone. After you click Delete Comment, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen.